Now this is the man who has made the public complain so much about our behavior. He's a man who is threatening to rape and defile and kill a young baby using poison. I think such men
on social media.
On social media.
You man.
He said, "This girl, if this is my daughter, I will do anything."
Beautiful as he looks.
As beautiful as you look.
She looks.
You know,
that there after you kill him,
and you kill her with poison.
Then
so
you
you can
post
kill
on the
How many have you killed? So why did you like that baby? You are a fan. You're a fan of a baby.
Yes, I'm have fun. I like that baby so much. Yes, I was raised.
So you wanted to eat her?
I cannot.
So you sleep with children?
I never.
So what did you say?
I speak that.
Because you are honey.
Let me use Uganda. Because I don't know.
Watch why you get the water. Kumano mto.
That's one. Embeera gyennabademu mubutamanya n'embeera ebaddemu yandeetedde ekintu ekyo naye nga nasabye ne neetonda nensaba ne maama w'omwana nampita ne neereeta mu buntu n'angamba tutuule ensonga tuzimale mukuonaagala
kati omwana oyagala murepinga.
I cannot do that.
Ate wagambye ogenda kikola omuwe n'obutwa.
Sisobola nakyo kikola era neetonze ne neereeta ne wano nze kennyini nga nsaba okusonyiyibwa era ye yaŋŋambye jangu weetonde oneetondere mu maaso ga.
Okay, in a special way I want to thank the presidential advisor, Madam Full Figure, who has worked tirelessly with the Uganda police to ensure this man is located. And also I want to thank the lawyer of the family, Mr. Nahebwa Precious, for doing it very fast and supporting police. So for those of you who are watching, when you find such people in public, let us know. We shall take action. I received this man's video from over 10 people in the US, 5 people in the UK, and in Uganda here, I don't know how many bishops and fathers have called me over this man. So I had even to leave cabinet to come and look at the man who's a danger to society and a danger to young people, to children. So this man should be, probably DPP, maybe you may find a case against him. He needs to be reformed. He needs to be put where he belongs because he's a danger to our children.